Hello everyone. This skin cleansing routine is designed for acne-prone and oily skin. It helps remove blackheads, reduce excess oil, and support healthy skin texture. This method is commonly used in professional skincare treatments. Step 1. Morning cleansing. Morning cleansing removes sweat from the night, natural oils, bacteria from pillowcases, leftover night products. How to cleanse properly. Wet your face with lukewarm water. Take a small amount of cleanser. Gently massage for 30 to 60 seconds. Focus on nose, chin, forehead. Rinse thoroughly. Pat dry with a clean towel. Cleanser type by skin. Oily, acne-prone. Gel or foam cleanser, dry, sensitive, cream or milk cleanser. Combination. Gentle, balanced cleanser. Never scrub harshly. Sif. Never use hot water. Step 2. Toner. Optictional but hilpule. A toner helps to balance skin pH, remove leftover residue, lightly hydrate, prepare skin for next steps. How to apply. Use clean hands or cotton pad. Gently pat. Don't rub. Focus on dry or oily areas. Choose toner wisely, alcohol-free for sensitive skin. Hydrating toners for dry skin. Light exfoliating toners, 2-3x week for oily skin. Step 3. Essence. Optional step. Essence deeply hydrates and repairs the skin barrier. Benefits. Improves skin texture, adds glow, boosts absorption of serums. How to apply. 2-3 drops. Pat gently into skin. Wait 30 seconds. Step 4. Serum. Targeted treatment. Morning serums focus on protection and brightness. Best morning serums: vitamin C, brightening and antioxidant; niacinimide, oil control and pores; hyaluronic acid, hydration. How to apply. Take 2-3 drops, apply evenly. Press gently into skin. Avoid rubbing. Quote at core. Wait 1 minute before next step. Step 5. Eye cream. The eye area is thin and delicate. Benefits: reduces dryness, prevents fine lines, minimizes puffiness. Application: use ring finger. Tiny amount, grain of rice. Dab gently around eye bone. Never pull skin. Step 6. Moisturizer. Moisturizer locks everything in. Choose based on skin, gel, oily and acne-prone lotion. Combination cream. Dry and mature. How to apply. Take coin-sized amount. Massage upward. Include next step 7. Sunscreen. Most important. Sunscreen protects against sun damage, premature aging, dark spots, skin cancer. Rules: SPF 30 or higher. Broad spectrum every single morning. How to apply. 2 finger length amount. Cover face and neck. Apply 15 minutes before sun. Never skip sunscreen. Even on cloudy days. Night skincare routine. Step 1. Double cleansing. First cleanse, cleans. Oil cleanser removes sunscreen, makeup pollution. Massage onto dry skin for 1 minute. Rinse with lukewarm water. Second cleanse. Water cleanser removes sweat, dirt, residue. Cleanse gently for 60 seconds. Step 2. Toner. Night version. Night toner can be hydrating, calming, mildly exfoliating. 2-3x week. Pat gently into skin. Step 3. Essence mist. This step restores hydration lost during cleansing. Step 4. Treatment serums. Night is for repair. Popular night serums: retinol, 2-3x week only. Peptides, ceramides, hyaluronic acid. Retinol rules: start slowly, pea-sized amount. Avoid eyes and lips. Always use sunscreen next day. Step 5. Spot treatment. Apply only on pimples or dark spots. Do not apply all over face. Step 6. Eye cream. Night. Use a nourishing eye cream to repair overnight. Step 7. Night moisturizer. Sleeping cream. Night creams are richer. Benefits: repairs skin barrier, locks moisture, supports cell renewal. Massage gently into face and neck. Step 8. Optinal face oil. Use 2-3 drops. Press gently, not for oily or acne-prone skin. Weekly skincare. ADD ons exfoliation. 1-2 times a week. Removes dead skin cells. Types: chemical exfoliation. Preferred: physical scrubs, gentle only. Never over exfoliate. Face masks. 1-2 times a week. Clay mask for oily skin, hydrating mask for dry skin, calming mask for sensitive skin. Common skincare mistakes: using too many products, changing routine too often, skipping sunscreen, overwashing face, picking pimples. Lifestyle tips for bitter skin: drink enough water, sleep 7-8 hours, eat balanced diet, clean pillowcases weekly, manage stress, morning routine. Advanced datas. Step 1. Cleansing. Skin typer customization. For oily and acne-prone skin, cleanse twice daily. Use gentle foaming or gel cleanser. Look for salicylic acid, low percent, tea tree, zinc. Too much washing increases oil production. For dry skin, cleanse only once in the morning. Use cream or hydrating cleanser. Look for glycerin, ceramides, oat extract. Never use harsh foam cleansers. For sensitive skin, use fragrance-free cleanser. Massage very gently. Limit cleansing time to 30 seconds. Step 2. Toner. How to use it correctly. Toner is not meant to burn or sting. That old myth is wrong. Types of toners. 1. Hydrating toner, best for dry and sensitive skin. 2. Balancing toner, good for combination skin. 3. Exfoliating toner. Use only 2-3 nights per week. Correct application: hands, cotton pads, less irritation. Pat slowly, let absorb naturally. Step 3. Layering syrup. The golden rule. Thin to thick texture. Example: morning layering. 1. Hydrating serum. 2. Vitamin C. 3. Niacinimide. Curate. Wait 30 to 60 seconds between layers. Step 4. Vitamin C to complete guide. Vitamin C is powerful but sensitive. Benefits: brightens skin, reduces dark spots, protects from pollution. How to use safely: start 2-3 times a week. Use 2-3 drops only. Always follow with sunscreen. If stinging lasts more than 1 minute, stop using. Step 5. Moisturizer. More than hydration. Moisturizers do 3 things. 1. Hydrate. 2. Repair barrier. 3. Protect skin. Ingredients to look for: ceramides, cholesterol, fatty acids. These mimic natural skin barrier. Step 6. Sunscreen. A reality check. Common myths. Thought dark skin doesn't need sunscreen. Indoor days don't need SPF. Truth: UV rays pass through windows. Not. Reapplication rule: every 2-3 hours outdoors. Use powder or spray SPF for touch-ups. Night routine. Advanced details. Step 1. Double cleansing. When it is necessary, double cleansing is needed. If you wear sunscreen, live in polluted areas, wear makeup. Oil cleanser tips: massage gently. Do not scrub. Emulsify with water before rinsing. Step 2. Night toner. Night is the best time for calming inflammation, mild exfoliation, repair hydration loss. Exfoliating toners. Use only at night, max 2-3 times per week. Never with retinol. Step 3. Retinol. Complete beginner guide. Retinol is powerful. Respect it. Benefits: reduces acne, smooths texture, slows aging. Beginner schedule: week 1-2, 1x per week, 3-4, 2x per week. Application method: 1. Cleanse. 2. Moisturizer, thin layer. 3. Retinol, pea-sized. 4. Moisturizer again. This is called sandwich method. Step 4. What not to mix with retinol: vitamin C, vitamin suara betamis, cough, benzoyl peroxide. These cause irritation. Step 5. Night serums without retinol. On non-retinol nights, use hyaluronic acid peptides, niacinimide, centella asiatica. These calm and repair skin. Step 6. Night moisturizer. How rice your stow. How rice chick is too rich. If skin feels greasy, too heavy, tight, too light, skin should feel comfortable, not oily. Step 7. Facial oils. Correct usage: facial oils are sealers, not moisturizers. Best oils: squalane, rosehip, jojoba. Use only *2-3 drops, pressed gently. acne keeps causing back possible reasons. Dirty pillowcases. Over-exfoliation, skipping moisturizer, touching face, often skin burns or stens. Stop actives immediately. Switch to Gentle Cleanser Barrier Repair Cream. No actives for 7 to 10 days. No results after months. Remember, skin cycle equals 28-40 days. Consistency matters. Less is more. How long does skincare take to work? Hydration 1-2 weeks. Acne control 4-6 weeks. Pigmentation 8-12 weeks. Anti-aging 3-6 months. Patience is skincare's secret ingredient. Thank you for watching.